Hello my dear friends, in this video we'll learn how to test our vision. So it's not necessarily to go to the ophthalmologist to measure your vision. First you should download the eye chart and then follow the instruction I'm going to give you right now. So once you download the eye chart, you should print it. You can also use your screen, but it's not for good. It's better to have it printed, okay? Not in the electronic form. It's better to have it printed. So once you've printed and you hang it on the wall, then you should understand from which distance you should measure the vision. You measure the height of the first letter, okay? And in millimeters. It can be 40 or, for example, 44, doesn't matter. Then you divide this number by 88, okay? So you measure the height of the first letter in the eye chart and you divide it by 88, okay? And then multiply it by 6 and you'll get the distance in meters from which you should measure the vision. So once you know the distance from which you should measure the vision, you can start measuring it. Again, I should repeat. You download the eye chart, you print it, and you measure the height of the first letter. Then divide it by 88 in millimeters. You measure it in millimeters. You divide it by 88. And then multiply it by 6. You'll get the distance in meters. So then you get this distance, okay? And cover your right eye. It can be left eye, doesn't matter. You can cover it with your palm, but the eyes should be open, okay? You don't do like this, okay? Never do like this, because you will tense you will strain the muscles. It's not for good. So to measure the eyesight from, with one eye, you can cover it with a palm, yeah, or you can take a piece of sheet of paper, okay, like this. When you when you're looking at the eye chart, you should not squeeze your eyes like this, okay, like this, or you shouldn't have any tension in your eyes. If your vision is blurry, that's fine. If you can read the line, but it's blurry, it's also fine. It means that this is the line you are, this is your result at the moment. But if you can still read it, if it's blurry, that's fine. If you cannot read it, and it is blurry, it's not fine, it's not your line, okay? So you start looking at the eye chart, yeah? The first line you can read, the second line you can read, the third line, the fourth line. It's blurry, but still you can read it. The fifth line you cannot read. So your result is the fourth line, okay? Then you do the same with the right eye. Again, don't move with your head, like this, or like this, or like this. Because if you have astigmatism, you will see better if you look like this. Yeah, but it's astigmatism, okay? You should learn how to measure your eyesight when you look directly, yeah? Not like this, or not like this, just directly. So once you have exercises to practice every day, you will measure your results. So after each practice, you will measure your vision, okay, and you will see the progress. Also, what is very important to note, that you should use different eye charts. Why? Because if you practice with one eye chart, you can remember it. Of course, you can say that it makes no sense, but our brain will remember it anyway. So you use 2 or 3 different eye charts to avoid memorizing the letters, okay? So this is a very important thing when you start recovering your eyesight naturally. So please download the eye chart and measure your eyesight with your left eye, with your right eye and with both eyes. See you in the next video.